Welcome back programmers. In the previous video we just created the virtual environment for our project. In the today's section we are gonna design our templates and we are gonna put the template in our new project named Joysplat. I just download the one project from colorlib. So this is my project. In this project you can see I got all of the pages and all of the component like font, css, javascript and css. So let's explore these templates. So this is my templates. You can see this template is fully responsive and fully animated. All of the component are animated in these templates. When I click on the inspect and see the inspect of mobile view, you can see this is the fully responsive templates. I'm gonna use these templates in my Joysplat project. And this is my header. I don't want my search bar in here, I want my search bar in here. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete the search bar from here and place this search bar in here. Like in the Zomato app, you can see the search bar is in here, so people can search their location and find the restaurant. So I just opened this project in my PyCharm and I'm gonna create the new project. I'm gonna fast forward this project. But if you don't know how to create the new project and how to add static data in our project, link is in the description, or you can change the YouTube speed to watch this video in slow motion. So let's begin. So we just complete our static connection, and remember, if you miss only one link, so your page is not gonna visible. So make sure you complete all of the link like script and css. Okay, now that we just add our static file in our landing page.html, now I want to change this. I don't want to see this search bar. There's some problem in here. Okay, you can see there's a problem when I move to the navbar button. There's some problem. I'm gonna change it too. But when I click on the search bar, or you can say navbar too, I don't want this search bar in here. I want my search bar in here. So just I'm gonna cut this input and paste it in here. But you can see there's a problem when user try to search. What if the image is changed? Like you can see this is the slider, so you have to add a search bar in non-slider. So this look very bad. We are gonna change it later. So that is it for today's guy. I just changed the search bar and I'm gonna change something in here, and when I complete changing, all of the code is gonna available in my allinonecode.pythonanyway.com site. Make sure check out pythonanyway.com site and my all-in-one code site. So this is it for today guys. Today's section we first create a new project and then we download the templates and use this template with the use of load static, and then we manage all folder and show all of the links with connecting the static and so on. So we just put all of the static files in our project and we just add all this site. So in the next video we are gonna use the database to store the customer and the user info. So that is it for today's guys. If you like this video, just like it, share this video to other programmer, comment me for the next video, hit on the bell icon so you'll never miss my Zomato clone app video.